You love everything home and interior design. Now SoCo, Southern California's destination for interior design inspiration, is bringing you another binge-worthy series. We'll talk to the true masters of design to give you the tips and resources you need to master your own domain. I'm Carrie Freitas, and this is SoCo's Masters of Design. Welcome to SoCo's Masters of Design. Today we're focused on the living room, arguably the heart of your home, where a lot of the action happens. Whether it's a family game night, entertaining friends, relaxing with a movie, you name it, the living room's super important. And today we're going to show you 7 fundamental steps to design your perfect living room. Step 1 to your perfect living room, the right sofa. Check out Room & Board's Metro Sofa. It is a non-modular sectional with fabrications that are perfect for kids and pets, super plush, deep cushions that make for a great night in, watching movies with the family, or entertaining friends. Step 2, the coffee table. Caligaris' Dakota coffee table not only adjusts in height, it also adjusts in size. So if you want to have cocktails, you've got it at cocktail height, or lower for puzzles, and adjust in size for parties of any number when you're entertaining in your living room. Step 3, your entertainment system. Make sure to start your search for the ultimate TV and sound system at Bang & Olufsen at SoCo. Step 4, everything you need for family game night. Room & Board has really good-looking and well-functioning games for family game night, including cribbage, puzzle boards, and more. Step 5 is window coverings. The shade store at SoCo has you quote-unquote covered with anything you need, from blackout shades for privacy at night to wonderful drapes that will let the light in during the day. Step 6, the right rug. Whether you choose one large area rug or several smaller rugs to layer, start your search at Stark at SoCo. A rug for your living room makes it more comfortable, warm, and inviting, and also is easier to clean. Step 7 is lighting. Rejuvenation at SoCo is your perfect one-stop shop for this. You're going to want to make sure to accent your canned or recessed lighting with functional lighting, whether it's a table lamp or a floor lamp. Make sure you have the right lighting for everything you'll want to do in your living room. We hope you've enjoyed the 7 steps to your perfect living room. Join us next time on SoCo's Masters of Design.